fuck me, it's so cold. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. I'm fucking sick. I am dying with the man flu. It's a really nice day out, so I said I'll take the bike out for like a quick spin around, check the tire pressure, and just give you guys an update. It's been about 2 weeks since I had a video. The main reason for that is I've been sick the past few days, and today's kind of the one day that I was like, okay, I'm not feeling as bad. Not feeling as bad, and it's nice, so I just want to take it out for a quick spin. Yesterday was also my birthday, and I done nothing like usual. I don't really care for birthdays, to be honest. I turned the big 24, so I'm almost really old. So yeah, so that kind of preoccupied me all yesterday. And then the other reason why I haven't really been riding is because you can probably tell from the side of the roads, it's either been piss and rain or really fucking icy. And we went down to the minus figures here for the first time this winter. So it's been really icy every day, and then by the time I come home it's still been like icy or really really wet out, so I haven't been on the bike. So while it's dry, I just want to go out, start the bike up, because it's been really cold. I don't want the battery to go, because a few times I've gone to start the bike and it's been struggling to start. But I've also had no videos in the backlog. Usually I have one or two, but I made 2 videos, but I really just didn't like them, which is kind of a normal thing for me. Oh, the wind is so cold. I'm kind of half squinting. I have jacket, gloves and helmets on, but I have jeans and shoes on, and it's so fucking cold. Like, let's see, what temperature is it? 7, my hole. No way in hell it's only 7 degrees. But yeah guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Sorry for not having videos up, but as I said, here's my excuses. I always have excuses. You have to have excuses in life. But I'd like to thank you all for the support. I'm just over the 950 mark. I think 953 the last time I checked. So I want to organise this giveaway. As I said, I would do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but I want to kind of sort out the logistics. I said I'd have something up for about 950, but I hit 950 and then I didn't. But now I'm at 950 now, the past little while, so I'm taking it as I'm at it. Does this place have air? It does have air. Do I have to pay for air? I have to pay for air? I'm not paying for fucking air. I'm not paying for fucking air. I'm not about that life. Air is free. My tires could do without air. Fuck that. The one thing I refuse to pay for is fucking air. But yeah, I'm going to sort out the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I did say it's going to be probably a 50, whatever your currency is, voucher of some sort. So I think what I'll do is I'll sort out kind of the logistics and sort out how can I fairly pick a winner and all this shit, because I do hate giveaways. And I mainly hate giveaways that are really limited. So you have the giveaways that are like, yeah, I'm giving away this pair of gloves, and they're always the size fucking large. It's like, mate, I've got small little woman hands, so I don't even bother entering. Or the ones that are like, I'm giving away a bike. It's like, good for fucking you, because only if you're in America or wherever the country is can you get it. I like this bike screaming like that. It sounds fucking lovely. But yeah, I'm trying to do one there's kind of no ties to it really, you know, like it's fair for everyone. I think the only kind of preconditions would be you'll have to be subscribed to me, because that's only fucking fair. And I think I might do it for that. You have to be subscribed for me, say, for longer than a week, because I find that's only fair. I find that you have people that subscribe just for the giveaway and then leave. So, oh, for fuck's sake. So I think that's only fair. What the fuck is this? Hill walking. Fucking walkers. I thought something was going on. But yeah, like, I'll have to do something that's kind of just fair for everyone, and not these fuckers that are just gonna subscribe just for the giveaway, because that's not fair on my actual subscribers. So as I said, I'll sort it out and then kind of give you guys I'll do a video on updating everyone. It's all dusty, you fuck. Also quickly, I will have a video up soon. I have all the stuff, but I haven't actually recorded it yet. So I have all the a few of the mods that I'm doing to the bike. So I have all new indicators, which I'm hoping look fucking cool. I got a Audi style sequential indicator, so I hope they look really, really cool. I have some carbon fiber bits as well. I don't know if I actually said what they are, but they're actually carbon fiber heel plates, which I think will look class with the carbon fiber like extender, the hugger extender. I was going to get a full hugger, but it's the same size as the one that's on it, and it's shit. The only reason I got the extender, it's going to stop all the muck and salt and everything getting thrown up onto the shock and then ruining the shock. The shocks are expensive. So I got the extender, which I think will look really nice with the heel plates. And then I also got, am I missing something, some other stuff? I also got really nice levers. Well, I think they're really, really nice levers. Yeah, I got some really cool, really different levers. So I can't wait to put all them on. I have all the stuff. Let's see if I can pop a nice wheelie. I don't feel like I can. That's a little bit better. Ah, for fuck's sake. It's one thing I just want to get better at. It's better. Still getting shit at them. I haven't been out practicing. Yeah, I got some really nice levers. I think that's it. Levers, indicators, carbon bits. And then I have a surprise one that I'm trying to sort out and organise, and I'm still kind of on the fence with getting, but that's going to happen soon. I need to get a tripod for the camera because I do want to record the process, because I think it will look cool, make a nice little video out of it. But yeah guys, like, that's the updates. That's all the stuff that's new and happening and that's in the works. The giveaway, as I said, is happening now. I'm going to sort out all that out. What else am I going to try sort? I'm going to sort out some camera stuff for the little mods I'm going to do on the bike. And then hopefully, I have a feeling the weather's going to take a really bad turn, and then I'm going to be fucked. But look guys, that's all the updates. Thank you all for helping me get past 950 subscribers. That's class. Stay tuned over the next few weeks. I'll keep you all updated. Follow me on my social media, mainly my Instagram. That's where I post all my stuff. But that's the video. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video.